Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin immediately by assembling essentials: a brewing stand, blaze powder for fuel, nether wart, and golden carrots. First, make awkward potions by placing water bottles in the stand and brewing with nether wart. Once done, brew a night vision potion by adding a golden carrot to awkward potions. That produces a 3-minute potion. You can also skip brewing in creative or admin contexts using the command /effect give your name Minecraft, night vision second 0. Make sure to keep blaze. Once you have a base night vision potion, extend its usefulness by brewing with redstone dust. That changes a 3-minute potion into an 8-minute one, which is ideal for long builds or caves. If you need to affect teammates quickly, turn the potion into a splash by adding gunpowder, so you can throw it and everyone shares the benefit. Lingering potions create a standing cloud on the ground. Make sure to time throws before fights or group tasks, and coordinate so potions aren't wasted on already lit areas. To finish, drink night vision when you arrive at your dark area, then continue working or exploring. Make sure to refresh before it expires. If something goes wrong, use a bucket of milk to remove all potion effects instantly or run /effect clear player Minecraft, night vision to reset. Also, if the color or brightness seems wrong, check your gamma, shaders, or resource packs that alter visuals. Those often interfere with the night vision look. Finally, combine potions strategically, like night vision plus strength for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.